Nice. What's that? What is it?
You got a present.
You don't want your present?
No.
Look what the great pumpkin brought you. Should we open it?
No.
You don't want a treasure?
No.
You know who this is?
What is that? Oh, is it now? Should we open it? Okay.
What's the name? Who is that?
Showers.
Not sour.
Madeline, did you have fun trick-or-treating last night? Did you go to the houses and say trick-or-treat?
What did you get that? Minnie Mouse? Okay.
Mommy, what's that? Mommy can't open that.
Let me take it off for you.
Okay.
Did the great pumpkin bring you a treasure thing? Oh, you lucky girl.